heard him say as I turned to go.